Well, you're hoping find the camouflage ones before this one.
Why y'all are out of school tomorrow?
They're underneath leaves in...
There's 3 camouflage ones down.
Well, put them in the container so you can count how many you got.
I got 3.
All together.
I don't need a container yet. I've only got 3. Fit in my hand.
Well, Trevor's got a boatload. So does Elijah.
And an egg call. Dude, I'm like walking all in the same spot.
Nobody's paid attention.
No, they don't even know.
Oh, I stepped on one. I think it was mine.
There's one down inside them jacket there.
Huh?
I found a dollar bill.
Ha ha!
Did you really? Yeah.
What, just...
Crumbled up on the ground.
The egg in it?
No! There's just a dollar bill in
It was well camouflaged.
Go ahead and just stick them up on the porch there. Oh.